How to immigrate to Canada as a baker. Canada is a land of milk and honey with abundant job opportunities for every occupation and skill level. So if you're a baker searching for the greenest pastures that produce the best baking ingredients, you'll find a blue ribbon immigration destination in the Great White North. Bakers in Canada work in many areas, from retail spaces to catering companies, hospitals, hotels, and many other places. Here's how you can immigrate to Canada as a baker. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You'll have to meet the education and employment requirements set by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, and check which of Canada's visa and immigration programs best match your profile. Step 2. Find your ideal pathway to Canada. There are many pathways to Canada, but the express entry system is the most popular, mainly because it's the quickest way to gain permanent residency in Canada. As a baker, you can apply via 2 of the 3 express entry immigration programs, the Federal Skilled Worker Program and the Federal Trades Worker Program. Step 3. Complete your online profile. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you must create an online profile and supply all supporting documents. You must then wait for IRCC to send you an invitation to apply or ITA. Step 4. Check your CRS score. Your profile will be assessed according to your skills, qualifications, and work experience, amongst other things. You'll be graded in each category and then receive a CRS score. You can earn up to 1,200 CRS points during the process. Recent immigration news suggests that your CRS score will no longer be the primary deciding factor in receiving an ITA. Instead, express entry draws may be centered around how badly Canada needs your skills. Step 5. Get your ITA. If you receive an ITA for Canadian permanent residency, you'll have 60 days to submit your application, the required paperwork, and language test results. Click the links below to learn more about immigration pathways to Canada. Discover the possibilities for starting a new chapter in the Great White North by liking, subscribing to this channel, or visiting CanadianVisa.org. Have any questions? Drop your queries in the comments section and we will quickly assist.